AI is not coming in the future, it's already here. And in the next 5 years, millions of jobs could completely change or disappear. The scary part? Some people still think their job is safe. In this video, we'll talk about jobs that AI is likely to replace in the next 5 years, and which jobs will still survive. And no, this is not science fiction anymore. This is already happening. First job, data entry. This is probably one of the most vulnerable jobs right now. AI can already read documents, organize information, fill spreadsheets, and process large amounts of data much faster than humans. Companies are already automating these tasks because AI works 24/7 without breaks. Second, basic customer support. AI chatbots are becoming smarter every month. Today, many companies already use AI to answer customer questions instantly. Simple support tasks like password resets, order tracking, basic troubleshooting can now be handled almost completely by AI. Third, basic content writing. AI can already generate blog posts, product descriptions, emails, scripts, and even articles. This doesn't mean writers will disappear, but low-quality repetitive writing jobs are definitely at risk. Fourth, basic programming work. AI tools can now generate code, debug errors, and even build small applications. Simple repetitive coding tasks are becoming easier to automate. But skilled developers who solve complex problems will still remain valuable. Fifth, basic graphic design. AI can now create logos, thumbnails, posters, presentations, and social media designs within seconds. This is reducing demand for simple beginner-level design work. But here's something very important: AI is not replacing people completely. It is replacing repetitive work. People who only do simple tasks are at higher risk. But people who can think creatively, solve problems, and use AI effectively will become more powerful. Jobs requiring creativity, strategy, communication, and decision-making are much harder to replace. For example, business strategy, advanced programming, content creation, leadership, psychology, research, and skilled technical roles. So the question is not, will AI replace jobs? The real question is, will you adapt before it's too late? Because the people who learn AI today may become the leaders of tomorrow. If you want more videos about AI, future jobs, and technology, subscribe to the channel.